is our time. This day is our day. Yeah. This moment is our moment. Our fans, our dome, our home, our team. Yeah. Man, you gotta feel that strength today, baby. This is what we do. Yeah. This is what we do. Let's go, baby. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
And lowers his shoulder on the Marcus Joyner. Looking for Antonio Brown and completes.
Come on, we need them.
I know you put it a little early because it was out of bounds. I had him, yeah.
Pressure coming right here.
Get rid of it. Hold on.
What's that?
Body weight.
Hey, I'm not a Jedi. I can't levitate. I know what you're saying.
The only way they can hold us is hold us, all right? Stay physical.
Ben throws the screen, ducking the man, and getting to the goal line. Touchdown, Antonio Brown.
Oh, he put a move on Tavon Young.
You have become a very efficient one-cut runner. Boom, 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 stay right there. Because you got more power, man, than you think. They can't arm tackle you.
He died for the pylon, but he was out of bounds. No, they say touchdown! Yeah! Looks like Thomas pulled his cell phone out of the stanchion, the goalpost to our right, and dialed
Old school Joe Horn.
Hey, you pay the fine. I'm not paying the fine on that.
Peterman tries to get rid of it quickly. The pass is tipped away. It is picked off.
And intercepted out of the deflection. Leonard Floyd, end zone!
What? That ain't my fault.
No, I got you, bro.
He gets away from the rush of Daniil Hunter. Now he flips it to
That's a
Kerryon
fumble,
Johnson.
Paul.
Yes, it is a fumble.
Uh-oh. Got him.
And rolling into the end zone, it is Daniil Hunter.
Hey, one-score game now. Let's go.
Let's keep fighting, man. Let's go!
Throws it down the left side, wide open. Gordon
Got him.
makes the catch, slips a hit. Goodbye. Touchdown, Patriots.
We need one more. Great job. One more. Let's go.
Down the sideline, 40. Cut back 30. Foot race 20. Cut back again 10. And Mostert is gone. Touchdown, 49ers. Mostert hits the home run.
Gets up surfs in the end zone.
Mullins standing in, throws over the middle, and Kittle makes an unbelievable catch.
I didn't see it. Was it cool? Yes.
fires end zone. One-handed grab. Are you serious for the touchdown, Greg Olsen?
You got to Odell it.
And the New Orleans Saints are going to beat the Los Angeles Rams here in the Superdome.
Who there? Who there? Who there saying they're going to beat them Saints? Who there?
I'll see you after, maybe. Stop by and see you. Take care, baby.
Hey, when we won against the Cowboys, we came in this locker room, I said, it's only preseason, but that's why we play the game.